Good morning, good morning. It's me again, guys. Oh, I really didn't expect how it looks like Sapa. If it is in my place, it looks like in Philippines they call it Baguio, but more, it is more higher than Baguio. My goodness. Look at that. Oh my goodness, this is the place we are going to stay. See that place, Sapana Mountain Retreat. Oh my God, it is so. There are some checking in. Oh, a lot of this. You see, guys. I didn't just show you on the. I give you a tour. Okay, so this is the place. Savannah. You see, just on the corner, these are the gates. See? Look at that. Oh my God, you see that? I can't even see the mountain. Oh dear. See the rice terraces. Oh guys, I can't even see the. Look. Oh dear. Look at that. Yeah. Okay, this is our first day, guys. We just landed here. Wow. Look all these flowers. They're all very, very fresh. Look at that. The orchids, look. You know, as you sit here, yeah, with this all orchids. Look at that. Oh my God, so beautiful. Look at, I can see the rice terraces there. Wow, beautiful. It's so beautiful, the water there. Oh my God, look at that. Oh, down below. But so scary to come because it's really winding road. Ellison get dizzy. He's not used to it. Thank God I'm okay. Beautiful. Okay guys, this is our first day. We just check in now. Look at that. Oh wow. Flower is beautiful. Okay. Bye. See you. See you. Look at this. It looks like a banana. Oh, there's some more fruits here. Yeah, look at that. Okay, guys. Bye. See you on my next vlog. Bye.